What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and I'm gonna start this video off by saying that yes, I know this is not the kind of video that you guys subscribe to for my current subscribers, and I'm sorry about that. You know, I know that the channel name is Baja Overland, and this is more of an overlanding channel, but as you guys have seen, there's been a few off-road overlanding videos, and as well some of work, you know, working as a cable technician. But I'm super excited to be doing this video, guys. I just got this freestanding kick bag and some gloves, just basically to try to stay fit, more or less, or get fit during this whole quarantine thing, guys. And personally, I think this is a really good way to do it. I've probably tried this about 5 or 6 times now, guys, and it's just a crazy good workout. It definitely leaves you super tired at the end of it, and I've always wanted to learn kind of how to box, and I'm using this app, guys. It's my phone. I'm using this app. It's called Fight Camp. Got it right here, and I'm about to do a workout, guys. It's just crazy hard. It definitely always takes all your energy. Basically it's 20 rounds, guys, and basically it's 10 minutes of just punching the bag and then 5-second rest. So you do that, it's total about 5 minutes if you add it all up, and guys, it just leaves you dead. It leaves you even more tired than running a few miles. I've ran miles in the past, and this just leaves you super exhausted to the point where you just don't want to just do anything else. You want to rest. So what I typically like to do, guys, is I like to do this in the morning. So right before work, I'll probably wake up 30 minutes to an hour before I usually do, and just do this in the morning, 20 rounds, come back at night, guys, and do an actual workout. So this workout is this app is just amazing because it has different workouts, works your upper body, works your core, and obviously, you know, you have your ones where you're just punching the bag and getting a really good cardio workout, guys. But so we're about to hit this, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to make a time lapse out of this, but it's going to be a 5-minute workout, guys. If you guys can tell, you know, I actually just took a shower, so this is probably not the best time to do it, but check it out, guys. I'm not sweating at all. In 5 minutes, I'm going to be just drenched, guys. Check it out. Alrighty, guys, I don't know if you can tell of the sweat, but let me see. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of dark in here, but it's hard, man. It's a hard workout, but it's good. It takes 5 minutes to complete, and if you have some free time, take maybe 5 to 10 minutes to rest, and then just either do the same workout again, maybe not with as much power, but you also have the option to do a bunch of different workouts. So if you log on the app, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's just a lot of workouts, guys. So many boxing workouts. And then the one I just did, guys, is this one right here.
What's up, Fight Camp?
Check it out, guys.
Medalist from the Ukraine, Taras Yagostuk, and we have Coach Andre Hitman Husman.
So the real trainers, guys, they know what they're saying. Oh man, shut this off. Anyways, guys, this is a great workout. It leaves you drenched. You will have to take a shower. I'm gonna let you know that you're gonna have to take a shower after this. Yeah, you stink. But guys, super affordable. I know a lot of you guys have been trying to get equipment to work out at your house, just try to stay in shape, and a lot of it's sold out. But guys, they have plenty of these. I got this off of Amazon. I believe the punching bag was like $180. The gloves were like 30 bucks. Then you can get some wristbands if you want to protect your hands a little bit more. But guys, I probably spent about $230 on this, and it's just a great setup, guys. And guys, the reason that I wanted to go ahead and do this video is because I know a lot of people will make excuses, including me, of working too much, working too hard, being tired when you get home, and not having enough time to do it, or not enough energy. It's 5 minutes, guys. It's something quick. For all the technicians that follow me, I know there's a few cable guys out there that follow me. I know we work crazy amount of hours, guys. I'm working 6 days right now, have Sundays off, and I'm still able to just come out here for 5 minutes, hit the bag. If you have time to do a longer workout, you definitely can, guys. There's ones that, again, hit your abs, hit your chest, hit your shoulders. Right now my shoulders are just burning up. It's a great workout, guys. It's something that's very inexpensive, and again, it's something so short that you guys can do it pretty much anywhere. You guys can do it anytime, and guys, it will just be a great video. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I will have everything that I purchased down in the description box below. I have everything linked in case you guys do want to go ahead and purchase any of this. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment, and I'll try to get back to you guys as quick as I can. But anyways, guys, again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys can go ahead and drop a like if possible. Definitely will help me out. And if you haven't, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys. Have an amazing day.